Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open your single-player world and enable cheats in the game settings now. Press T to open chat and type the clear weather command. Enter /weather clear 1,000,000 to set clear weather for a long time. Then run /gamma rule do weather cycle false to stop weather changing forever. Both commands require that cheats are enabled or that you have operator permissions. This method works in Java Edition and also in Bedrock Edition similarly. Repeat commands if you switch dimensions, because weather may reset across worlds. On multiplayer servers, you must be opt or have equivalent administrative rights. Use /gamma rule do weather cycle false from the server console or as an operator. Alternatively, set defaults in server properties or use a server-side plugin to enforce clear weather. For automation, place a repeating command block with always active and the same gamma rule command. You can also schedule /weather clear 1,000,000 on a repeating timer using command block clocks. Check server settings for command block permission and enable them if necessary. Restarting the server preserves gamma rule values so the weather stays stopped after reboot. On Bedrock Edition, the same commands work. Use /weather clear and gamma rule commands. For permanent protection, use a repeating command block that enforces /gamma rule do weather cycle false. To avoid thunder damage, also prevent lightning with the same gamma rule setting. If you want occasional storms, schedule short /weather rain 600 commands instead of disabling cycles. Monitor for world resets or map edits that might revert gamma rules and reapply commands if needed. These steps keep storms and snow away, protecting crops, redstone, and building aesthetics consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.